Hi, welcome to the 8th episode of Ask Your Preschool Coach. In this segment, I take up questions from preschool owners across India and answer them. Now before I start, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of such videos. Today's question has been asked to me by Yashi Tiwari, who owns a preschool in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, she has asked me how to generate more inquiries. Now, this is one of my favorite questions because this is what we do. Okay, we help preschool entrepreneurs generate more inquiries through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Business. Okay, so that's what we have been doing in the last 3 years for 120 plus preschools that are associated with us. So to answer this question, first of all, remember one thing: inquiry generation is not a task, it's a continuous process. Okay, throughout the year, okay, 24/7, there has to be some or the other marketing activity which helps you in generating more and more data. Okay, even before you start generating the inquiries, okay, or even before you plan, or even before I tell you how to generate these inquiries, the very first thing that you need to do is fix up a target. Okay, you need to fix up a target of what kind of enrollments you require to start the next academic batch. Okay, so for example, if you are a new preschool and if you are beginning the next academic batch, okay, you need to fix up a target, for example 40 enrollments. So if you fix up a target of 40 enrollments to start with your first academic batch, then you need to, the second step is you need to identify the conversion ratio. Okay, so a conversion ratio is basically out of how many inquiries you generate, what is the number of inquiries which get converted into an admission or into an enrollment. Okay, so it is very important to identify that conversion ratio. So let's assume your conversion ratio is 10:5. Okay, so out of every 10 inquiries you generate, then that you are able to convert 5 admissions out of these 10 inquiries. Okay, so that means your conversion ratio is 10:5. Now, once you have identified the conversion ratio, according to this conversion ratio, what is the number of inquiries you will have to generate? That means in order to get 40 admissions, a minimum of 80 to 100 inquiries is what you will have to generate before the academic batch begins. Okay, so once you figure out of how many inquiries are needed, that is the time you start planning, or that is the time when you can fix up a marketing plan. Okay, now if you are if considering this example, if you want to achieve 40 admissions in the next academic batch and your conversion ratio is 10:5, okay, that means 50%. So which tells us that you need to generate at least 80 to 100 inquiries for your preschool in the next 3 months. Okay, now how to plan a marketing strategy is that, first of all, multiply these number of inquiries that are needed by 100. Okay, now why 100 is, on social media platforms, on an average, when you run continuous ads, this is an average per lead cost that you can get. Okay, that is 100 rupees per lead. So that means if you want to generate 100 inquiries, you will have to have a marketing budget, a paid marketing budget of 10,000 rupees, so that with a per lead cost of 100 rupees, you will be able to generate 100 inquiries. Now, once you are very clear with these kind of statistics, that is the time you start planning, and then you use social media, that is Facebook and Instagram and Google Business, wherein you start posting organic as well as paid content. Okay, to ensure that you are generating these kind of leads. Now, if you want to know what strategies to be used, okay, or what kind of paid campaigns you need to do, please get in touch with us. We'll fix up a one-to-one call with you, wherein we'll actually guide you in terms of how these paid campaigns can be run on your page, which will attract more leads and which will help you with more number of inquiries. Okay, but before that, it is very important to identify or to set up a target, accordingly find out your conversion ratio, accordingly find out how many inquiries you will have to generate in a set number of days, and then plan the marketing strategy accordingly. Okay, so I hope I have answered this question and I have given enough justice to this question. So for more such questions, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any such questions from my end. Thank you.